Let me first welcome you, sir, in Hyderabad city. I was just waiting to see you. When you come to Hyderabad, and I should catch you. So finally, we have caught you. Let me first welcome you. I just wanted to know about something about your childhood. You know, we all know you about your songs, your background. You've reached the heights all over the city. कोई भी state बोल लो, मतलब you know, it's Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, nothing has been left. I just want to know first how this journey started. I mean, it was always a childhood dream.
Hi everyone, lots of love to you guys, and I'm glad that I'm speaking to you.
Oh, thanks.
For me, as a singer, this journey started at the age of 4,
Oh,
and not professionally, but the moment I realized that I have a singing potential. My parents realized that I have singing potential. They put me into classes. I started learning Hindustani classical music, and after that, I took a few years of training, and at the age of 8 or 9, I participated in reality shows,
oh my God.
and that's where the actual journey started. And before I actually took off on the reality show journey, I was doing voiceovers and doing jingles. So for all those people who ask me, how do you sing in all these different languages? How did it start? So I would say the voiceovers and the jingles part of my life is where I learned how to sing and sing in different languages. So I remember this one incident when I was doing a Hindi voiceover, and the producer and the director asked me, "Would you mind doing this in Tamil or Telugu?" And I was okay. I was scratching my head first. I was like, "किया तो नहीं है पहले, मतलब I've not done this before, but I don't mind trying." And they gave me a line in Tamil or Telugu, and I did the voiceover and I sang the jingle in both the languages. And they were like, "Wow, it's fine." So I was like, "Wait, was it that easy?" So over a period of time, the more I kept doing, those every ad that you see on TV, उसके हर एक state के हिसाब से there's different
Yes,
language के
yes.
ads for the same thing. So I started doing voiceovers for all those ads in all the different languages. There was Odia, there was Malayalam, there was Kannada, there was Telugu, there was Bengali. So that's where my tryst with languages started. And when I started learning how to listen and write down the language and then obviously reproduce it on the mic.
God.
So now that when people ask me that how do you sing so fluently in different languages, I'm like, I don't know the languages. Telugu definitely I understand because my mom is Telugu.
Oh, yes, I have to come to that point
Yes,
also.
but the other languages I don't understand. Obviously, I understand it for the recording, but generally I don't understand the language. But I do my best to make sure that the emotion of the song is portrayed through what I do.
I was just to come to that point about your mother. She's from Telugu. I mean, how it like, I just want to know a little bit more about your background. You know, it's a curiosity.
So-
Look, how you manage, like, she makes you learn Telugu, and you're not knowing Telugu, your mother tongue is Telugu now.
I honestly, I understand everything. నాకు తెలుగు అర్థం అవుతుంది లేकिन like for me to kind of like put it into sentences is tough. Even though I know what I want to say, I'm not being able to say it. But Telugu is very close to my heart, and for me, when I sing in Telugu, my mom glows with happiness because for her to be able to see her son sing, her mother tongue as well. So and it's my mother tongue. So for her to see me sing in Telugu is a big proud moment for her. And so if you talk about my journey, you can't leave out my mom. My mom has been a very big figure in my life. She's the reason that I push myself so much. She's the reason I sing in so many languages. She always pushed me to do this, that, do all that you can, be as versatile as you can be. And I think the singer I am today, artist I am today, is because of my mother. So I have a lot to owe to my mother.
So she push you, अरे बेटा, you have to learn Telugu, or some childhood
She
एक
is
naughty पना रहता है ना, just,
She's after me
and
right now also. She's after me right now ki you have to learn how to speak in Telugu because all these interviews might be in Telugu. How will you answer? I said, I'll answer in English or Hindi, whatever I can. I'll try my best. But so every day, 1 hour, she sits with me to teach me how to speak Telugu. I can understand it, but to speak it properly.
but your mostly life has been gone, I mean, out of Hyderabad. I mean, you didn't spend much of time in South India.
I know. So my mom is grown up here. She's born in Vizag, and she has family in Hyderabad and all over Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. But I've not stayed here. I've obviously visited, and I love the place. I love Hyderabad. I love being in South India. I love the food
Yes,
as
I
a
love the
musician.
food.
I love all the achars, avkai, magai, gongura. I'm a big fan of all that stuff. So yeah, I mean, you could say just matlab Telugu I will learn how to speak. Just apart from that, I'm a proper Telugu boy. I love everything everything about Andhra. So for me, having sung songs in this industry, having sung successful songs, those songs have gone on to become chart busters. For me, it's a huge moment for me and my mother. And I'm glad that she's come on this journey with me, and she's been able to guide me and push me in different ways. So when you ask me about my childhood, it would be incomplete if I don't mention of her of my mom's contribution. And so that's when the whole language journey started. I was on a reality show. I started singing for Bollywood movies, and then
What was your first song that clicked you and you just grab it like anything?
so I mean, I had two different phases. I was a Bollywood playback singer as a child as well, and then at the age of 18 is when I debuted as an adult playback singer. So when I was a child singer, I sang for movies like Bhootnath, Tare Zameen Par. Those are the songs. Bum Bum Bole, you must have heard that song. So that I've sung that. There's a song called Mere Buddy from Bhootnath. That was a duet with Amitabh Bachchan sir. So all these I've done as a child singer. And then at the age of 18, I debuted in a movie called Jai Ho, which was Salman Khan's movie Jai Ho. And that was my debut into Bollywood as an adult singer.
एक लाइन हो जाए, स्टार्ट करते हैं आज.
मैं बचपन से फिर मैं 18 वाले पे आता हूँ. चलो.
पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे. ये कौन सा चाइल्ड है? कौन सी एज का चाइल्ड है अभी?
10 साल की उम्र.
10 years boy.
मेरे बड़ी सुनो जरा, चलो करें कुछ मजा, थोड़ी शरारत, कुछ शैतानी काम, कोई गड़बड़ का. Ain't nobody does it better. No, 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 no. Ain't nobody does it better. तुमको तो आना ही था जिंदगी में, देर हुई आने में क्यों. जीना मुझे है बस तेरे लिए, जो भी करूं it's only for you, because I love you, I love you. Wow. So that was my first song as a child singer. This was my first song as an adult playback singer. दोनों गाली मैंने एक साथ.
मिक्स कर दिए. हमको पता ही नहीं चला. I mean, the talent has crossed the limits. Boundaries are, I think there is no boundaries for you. I must say that. So let's come back to your this thing.
Yes.
The singing has been pushed up like Bollywood. How you managed to get, अच्छा चलो यार तेलुगु में आप first एक song गा ही देते हैं. How was the moment? Who approached you? How it happens to you?
So it was a slow process. I've been singing in Telugu films for the last 4 years now. And
First break, how you got it?
my first song was actually quite a small project. It was a song called Yedo. I'm not sure of the movie title, but it was I don't know if it did as well as the other songs, but that kind of like was my first song and first brush with Telugu cinema and songs. My first big song that came was Emo Emo from Katam Raidu. That was my first big Telugu song, and I had sung that for Anup Ruben sir. And it was a Pawan Kalyan sir starrer, so it doesn't get bigger than that. And that kind of kick-started my journey in Telugu cinema. Then I sang a few more songs. There was Hello, title track, which was for Akhil. Then there was other 2-3
How
songs.
you got your break? Like when you got your first
when I
offer,
sang Emo
if something goes your mind, अरे यार तेलुगु में करना है, I mean that's curiosity. What goes in your mind that time?
I mean, honestly, for me, I was already singing in Kannada at that point of time. But Telugu, because it's my mother tongue, I've always wanted to crack that industry. For a long time, I was like, I want to sing for Telugu cinema, but it didn't happen. But then Emo Emo happened. People heard my voice. They really appreciated it. Then I got a few more projects. So the thing is, with any career, and any industry, you got to build up. Like obviously you do a debut song and the song that breaks you out, but you have to keep like putting more and more songs out, and that consistency needs to be there. So after Emo Emo, I did a bunch of songs, and then Thaman sir called me one day, and he's like, you know, I want to do some songs with you. And the first song we did together was Ninnila. And then Ninnila happened to be a huge song, and that's where people started to recognize Arman Malik as a singer in Telugu cinema. Then Ninnila happened, then there was Vinnane Vinnane, then there was Anaganaganaga also. Then a bunch of songs. I've sung so many songs in Telugu now. I've lost count.
I can understand.
But I would say that the person who gave me the first chance, Anup Ruben sir, he for whose song I'm also nominated in Kannada right now in Saima. So I must thank him, because he's the one who kind of thought of me to sing a Telugu song, and I think that's what started the whole momentum. And I must thank Thaman sir, because with him the collaborations that I've done, all of the songs have been chart busters, including the recent Butta Bomba.
Yes, that was a big one, I must say. Acha, after the songs like Pawan Kalyan sir or Allu Arjun, have you met personally and they have complimented you? Can you share that experience meeting them or whatever they shared with you?
So I was part of both the music launches, album launches. I was there in the same event as Pawan sir, but I could not meet him in person. But for the AVPL concert, I was part of the whole thing, and I met Allu Arjun sir there, and he's really humble, and I'm so glad that we got to spend some time. He told me how much he loves my voice in Butta Bomba, and how he's glad that I sang it, and he loves my Hindi stuff that I was doing in Bollywood. So he was like, and Shirish is a friend of mine as well. So he was like, Shirish keeps playing your Hindi songs, and I'm glad that you've sung a song for my movie now. I had sung a song for Na Peru Surya, Na Illu India. That was a movie 2-3 years before AVPL. So I'd sung my first song for Allu Arjun sir there, and then Butta Bomba happened for Ala Vaikuntapuramlo. So I'm glad that I've been able to share some moments with him, and also just talk about music and everything in general. And obviously the album launch event was out of this world. The kind of roars and shouting and stuff that was happening, for me it was very like I had never seen an event like that before. Even in the Bollywood industry, I don't think we have that scale of events. Just to be able to perform the songs from the album, it felt truly like a concert, like a stadium concert.
So I just want to know, Arman, 3 of favorite Hindi romantic songs.
My favorite 3 Hindi romantic songs.
You have to start with Hindi, let's.
Okay, so there are so many. I mean,
Your favorite, like कभी होता है ना अपने आप को you feel like खुद के it's better, because sometimes you want to compliment yourself. अरे वाह यार, मतलब मजा आ गया गा के.
usually करता नहीं हूँ, but
You don't compliment yourself sometimes.
in secretly, not in front of people. I would say बोल दो ना जरा, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं.
गाना पड़ेगा भाई, ये क्या, ये तो लाइन आप ऐसे आम आदमी की तरह बोल रहे हो. You're a big singer.
Okay, चलो. बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं. बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं. So this is my first favorite song. Then there is मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, तुम मुझ में कहीं बाकी रहना. मुझे नींद आए जो आखिरी, तुम ख्वाबों में आते रहना. बस इतना है तुम से कहना, बस इतना है तुम से कहना, बस इतना है तुम से कहना, बस इतना है तुम से कहना.
This is my favorite song. Third.
Third one would be तेरे मेरे दरमियाँ है बातें अनकही, तू वहाँ है मैं यहाँ क्यों साथ हम नहीं. फैसले जो किए फासले ही मिले राहें जुदा क्यों हो गए ना तू गलत ना मैं सही ले जा मुझे साथ तेरे मुझको ना रहना साथ मेरे ले जा मुझे
You know, you're a good lover, I think. Your girlfriend or wife will be happy. You can actually mold her in a hand by your beautiful voice and the kind of love and expressions you have. He must be a good lover.
I guess.
How many
I mean,
girlfriends you have? Now tell me.
I'm not going to reveal here now.
Because they'll be mad. I mean, totally mad on you.
Honestly, the kind of person I'm a big romantic. So, which is why obviously I get approached to sing love songs.
Yes.
I love love in general. I think it's the one emotion that makes all our worlds go round. मतलब प्यार के बिना कुछ है नहीं जिंदगी में.
Believe in love?
I do believe in love. Yeah. I
Fall in love and break heart. फिर गाना गाया हो?
मैं ब्रेक हार्ट नहीं करता हूँ. या तो लोग मेरा हार्ट ब्रेक करेंगे मैं किसी का हार्ट ब्रेक नहीं करूँगा नो बट आई ट्रूली बिलीव इन लव एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी प्योर इमोशन एंड मुझे व्हेन आई फील so strong about something it comes into my songs also so जब मैं एक love song गाता हूँ I try to channel those emotions into the song.
As Arman, you know, Telugu fans, they're not going to leave me if I don't tell you to sing songs in Telugu. So your fans out there, they wanted to know your favorite 3 songs and you have to sing for your fans.
Okay, done. I'll just need to grab the lyrics for this.
problem. Take your time.
But I think these 3 are my favorite songs. The first one is నిన్నెలా నిన్నెలా చూశానే కళ్ళలో కళ్ళలో దాచానే రెప్పలే వెయ్యనంతగా కనుల పండగే ఓ నిన్నెలా నిన్నెలా చూశానే అడుగులే తడబడే నీ వాళ్ళే ఏ గుండెలో వినపడిందిగా ప్రేమ చెప్పుడే దెన్ ఓ ఏమో ఏమో ఏంటో ఏమైందో ఏమో ఏంటో ముల్ల తీగ మీద మల్లె పూసేసిందేంటో ఓ ఏమో ఏమో ఏంటో మొత్తం దారి మారిందేంటో నల్ల రాతి గుండె మీద సీతాకోకేంటో దెన్ ద మోస్ట్ ఫేమస్
Dhamakedar bomb.
ఇంతకన్నా మంచి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్ము ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము ముందు నుంచి అందరన్న మాటే గాని మళ్ళీ అంటున్నానే అమ్ము ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చే తుమ్ము ప్రేమ నా పలివు నన్ను నమ్ము ఎట్టగానే ఎదురు చూపుకి తగినట్టుగా నువ్వు బదులు చెబితివే అరే దేవుడా ఇదేంతనేంత లోపటే పిల్లడాంట దగ్గరై నన్ను చేరదీస్తివే బుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అట్టబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే.
Oh my God, you learn kitna expressions are this song mein. It's like, I mean, I have no words for this song. Let me congratulate you for your awards as you've been nominated and you will be getting awards. How you react when you get awards is special for you.
I think, obviously being nominated is a very, very big thing in itself. But when you win an award, it gives you the motivation that you're on the right path, you're doing something right, and it gives you the drive to do more and more stuff. So I think, obviously, award or no award, I think for me as a musician, it's very important to do good music and to reach people's hearts. But I'm glad that I'm nominated at SAIMA, and I hope I get one of the 2 awards that I'm nominated for. Thanks for all the love you all have given to Butta Bomma. I think it's because of the public's love and appreciation that we are even nominated and for these awards. So
Future songs? So many are coming up. Telugu, you're busy with the Telugu songs more in the future and concerts. We want you to do more concerts in Hyderabad.
100%. There's lots of songs in the pipeline, and it's I can't talk about it now because it's future projects. But I'm super excited about it, and yes, I'm announcing a show in Hyderabad very soon.
And you know, you have sung for all big stars if we talk about. Any big star you are waiting that you want to give a song for him?
So I have sung for almost all the big stars, but I want to sing for Mahesh Babu, so I have not sung for him.
You will say this.
I have not sung for him yet, so I hope that I can sing something for him.
If we not talk about your Telugu songs. You must be listening on the daily basis Telugu songs. You must be having a favorite person, from the industry whom you love the voice. You want to compliment anybody from the industry?
I love Sid Sriram. I think
was
he's.
thinking.
I think he's a fabulous voice.
Yes.
And Sama Javara Gamana also he sung so beautifully, and he sung a bunch of other songs. And I love his voice. I think he's trained very very well in Carnatic music, so that shows in his vocals. And I love what he does. So I really love his
So I
singing.
think we can see both of you singing together because
Yeah,
you.
I mean, if we do a duet song together, that'll also be cool. I've met him actually. I met him at the AVPL concert, and I think he stays in America if I'm not wrong. So he keeps traveling back and forth. But yeah, I mean, whenever we'll get to do a song together, it'll definitely be fun. For me, I think as a listener, I listen to all kinds of songs, and Telugu, though I keep listening, obviously. What I love, there was one song that I personally want everyone to know that I really love. There was a song called Nenani Nivani back in the day, which was sung by Shweta Pandit, and Mickey Mayer was the composer of that song. I'm a huge fan of that. So I want all the Telugu listeners to know that this was the song that kind of I fell in love with Telugu music. Around 13 or 14, I think I was very young when I heard this song. My mom kind of played it to me. It goes like, Nenani నీవని వేరుగాలేమని చెప్పినా వినరా ఒకరైనా నేను నీదని నువ్వు నా నిజమని ఒప్పుకోగలరా ఎప్పుడైనా. I love this song.
We love you for your voice. So, and I want to thank you for giving us precious time. We just wanted a message close to your heart, which keeps following you, a message for your fans and message for yourself, which keeps you motivating all the time.
Okay, fine. I just want to tell all my fans, all my listeners, thank you for listening to my songs. Thank you for giving me so much love. Aap ho to main hu. It's because of you guys that I'm there. And I hope to continue to give more and more songs to you guys so you can listen and enjoy. And hopefully, once this pandemic situation is over, we can do a lot more concerts and I can meet you in person.
And message for yourself, which you keep giving to boost up your energy levels high.
There is one line that motto that I follow: onwards and upwards, no looking back.
Oh, wow. That's great. Thank you, Arman. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so
You would
much.
like to say something for in Telugu
Yeah, sure.
for your fans?
నా పాటలు వింటున్నందుకు చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు. మీ సపోర్ట్ ఇలాగే ఉంటే ఇంకా చాలా పాటలు పాడతాను.